Looking for the most powerful truck on earth capable of towing anything it has to offer? Greg here at the Woodys Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rated Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can learn why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So we have this brand new 2018 Ram 2500 in all of its glory. It's got that incredible gray color and all of that chrome and that grille just to accent it with those massive halogen headlamps. You also have tow hooks to assist you in whatever you might need those for. Under the hood, you have a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, which is just so powerful. And coming to your wheels, they are so massive. They are 18-inch steel wheels, and they look incredible, so shiny. It goes great with this truck. And coming over to your mirrors, they are tow mirrors. And with that blind spot mirror, you're able to see into your blind spot, so you can avoid, any accidents in the future. And looking below, you do have these running boards to help assist you into the vehicle with keyless entry. Coming into this massive truck, we have these incredibly looking gray vinyl seats with that Ram work grade, just giving it that stamp of, acceptance into the Ram world. Coming over to your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped with your Bluetooth streaming audio controls on the left, as well as cluster controls. And on the right, you have your cruise controls to just make that effortless driving. And coming over to your media center is a 5-inch touchscreen media center. You got your AM, FM radio, satellite for a year because this is a brand new vehicle. Hook up those media devices with various inputs, as well as hook up those phones for that hands-free voice dialing. You have a compass. That's amazing. And just so much more, as well as you do have a backup camera when this vehicle is in reverse. Just another incredible safety feature that this truck has to offer. Coming down, you do have climate control units, very nice dial form, very easy to use, and just all of these buttons. You got your tow haul mode, you can turn off your sensing system, your hill descent, traction control. You got it all with this thing. You also have a 12-volt DC adapter here and a USB port there, and this will pull out, throw your phone in there, maybe some chips, whatever the case may be. Cup holders everywhere. And just look at that center console. You got 2 USB ports and an aux port, and a nice little coin organizer right there. And the beauty about this is this will fold up to give you another spot for maybe a third person or a 6th person, and that will fold up to give you much more storage space. You get it all with this vehicle. You get all the storage capacity as well as all the power with the CD insert right there. Listen to those CDs. And just amazing. So let's go check out the back. Coming into the back, we have seating just like the front, capable of seating 6 throughout the entire vehicle, and just so much storage space with this thing. These seats will lift up to give you all that space. 2 more cup holders, and you also have these little bins right here that will pull out, easy to rinse out. Maybe some bottled water can throw in there or whatever. Coming onto the back, you have that 4x4 off-road decal right there, stamped, as well as that 4x4 badging in chrome. You got a rear sensing system which you can turn off with that massive tow package. Let's look into this bed, because you do have a spray and bed liner. Easy to clean out, 4 tie-on hooks, and you have a 5th wheel hitch hookup. So that in itself is amazing. You can literally pull anything with that, or just use the good old tow package. So you have the 5th wheel hitch, the tow package, and that just very powerful engine. So if you're in the market for a Ram 2500 or any of our trucks, visit our website at WowWoodys.com or come and check out our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Greg. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.